guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a unboxing of a ring light I bought. So I've been saving all my money to buy this and it finally came. So this is by the brand Newer. I don't know if you can read it on camera, but it's by the brand Newer and it's like this. It's very heavy, so yeah. So we're going to unbox it. I've been watching a lot of these videos, so yeah, I'm very excited to be unboxing this Newer ring light. I'm gonna attach my phone here. Yeah, so I've attached my phone onto the ring light. Now we're going to this is the brightest setting. Maybe I shouldn't sit on the in front of the mirror because there's sunlight. It's very dark. But let me turn out the ring light and let you guys see what I look like. Ooh. With the white filter, we're going to add the orange filter to see how it looks like. But I already know from the videos I saw that I will always be using the white one. And if you see a little piece like this, don't panic. It's just a little piece you add to the you add to the bottom. So it comes with 4 pieces. So we're going to attach that onto the ring light. So this is what it looks like with the orange filter. I think, ooh, it's so bright. This is the brightest setting. Doesn't really have an effect, or is it me? And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to push the notification bell to get notified whenever I post. So yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.